Hello everyone, I'm Jason, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to book an Airbnb. So the first thing you will need to do is go onto airbnb.com. Once on this website, you'll need to tap right where you see anywhere at the top. Then from there, you're going to choose your destination. So let's say, for example, I would like to book an Airbnb in United States. I'll tap on United States. Then from there, I'll select the dates. Then you can select when you would like to check out. So let me select that real quick. After you have done that, you're going to tap right where you see guests. So if you like to add guests, you can do that right here. So you can add one, or you can add children if you want, and infants also. And if you're bringing pets, you'll select pets right here. After you're finished, you're going to tap on search and just give it a few seconds to load up. So let's tap on search real quick. Once you have tapped on search, you're going to see numerous options that you can choose from. And it all depends on the price range that you're working with. So all you'll need to do is scroll down and you can see the various price ranges. And by the way, you can see that it is currently in my currency, which is JMD, because I'm located in Jamaica. If you would like to change the currency, all you have to do is tap on the profile pic in the top right hand corner. Then from there, you can sign up real quick. So let me do that real quick. I'm going to tap on sign up. Once you have tapped on sign up, you can continue with your Facebook account, or you can sign in using your Google account or your Apple or your email address. So I'll be using Google. Once you have signed up and agreed to their term of service, you will be redirected to this page, and you can now see that it is in USD, as you can see right here. So all you would need to do now is scroll down and select a location that you like, or you can use the map on the right hand corner right here and choose a specific state that you would like to be in, and you can also choose a price range right there. And if you have any special amenities or so on in mind, for example, if you would like once you are signed in, you can see that it changes now to USD, so the currency has changed. And by the way, if you have any special features that you would like, for example, if you would like a location near the countryside or a beachfront property, you could select that. If you want amazing pools or so on, any special amenities that you want, you can select from the top menu options right here. And you can scroll down and you can view the different properties, or if you would like to choose from a particular state, you could tap on the map from the right hand menu option right here, as you can see. Then from there you can choose a particular location. So it all depends. Then once you have done that, you can scroll down, and if you would like to display total price including all fees before taxes, you can simply toggle this on. Once you have toggled it on, you'll be able to see the total price, so you can see it right there. Then you're going to scroll down, and once you have found one to your liking, let's say for example this property, all you would need to do is tap on it. Once you have tapped on it, a new page will open up on which you'll be able to get a better view of how the property looks. And all you'll need to do now is scroll down, and you can read about the amenities that this property offers, and you can check if your check-in date and check-out date is correct. And then if you would like to add more guests, you can also do that. And you can see right here, it is a spacious one bedroom unit. And you can scroll down and you can read more. You can read about, you can also see what this property offers, and you can also scroll down and you can read what previous, or you can see what this property offers, and you can also scroll down and read reviews that persons that have used this property, or better yet stayed in this property, has to say. Once it is to your liking, you are going to tap right where you see reserve. After tapping on reserve, you will be redirected to this page on which you'll be prompted to enter your information, meaning your credit card information or so on. So you're going to enter your credit. Once on this page, you'll be prompted to enter your credit or debit card information. So all you have to do is tap right where you see credit or debit card. Or if you would like to pay using PayPal or Google Pay, you can select either one of these options. So let's say, for example, I want to use PayPal. I would select PayPal, then I'll tap on Login PayPal right here, and you're going to enter your PayPal information. If you would like to use your credit or debit card, you're going to tap on credit/debit card and you'll enter your credit card information. If you're going to use Google Pay, you will do the same thing, and you can see a breakdown of the fees on the right hand corner right here. And all you'll need to do is scroll down and continue with the payment, as you can see right here, confirm and pay. And that's it. Once you have done that, you'll get your booking information and hopefully you'll have a good trip. If you did enjoy this video and you found it informative, be sure to hit the like button and also subscribe.